Now more examples on trigonometric identities. Number 1, prove that 1 over 1 plus tan squared alpha minus 1 over 1 plus tan squared beta equals cosine squared alpha minus cosine squared beta. Here we have two different variables, alpha and beta. Recall the Pythagorean identities in 1 plus tan squared is sec squared. So 1 plus tan squared is sec squared. So we have here 1 over sec squared alpha minus here it's 1 plus tan squared beta, so it's 1 over sec squared, so it's 1 over sec squared beta. Recall the reciprocal identities. 1 over sec is cosine. By the reciprocal identities, 1 over sec is cosine, so this equals 1 over sec squared alpha is cosine squared alpha minus 1 over sec squared beta equals cosine squared beta. This is equal to the right hand side, so the trigonometric identity is true. Number 2, prove that 1 over 1 plus cotan theta equals tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. Look at the two hand sides. The right hand side here we have tan up, and here and down we have 1 plus cotan here, and here it's 1 plus tan. Think if you multiply the left hand side up and down by tan theta, you may get something different. It may be useful to multiply up and down by tan theta. So let's try. Multiply up and down here times tan theta. So times tan theta. So up it's tan theta, and down it's tan theta times 1 to be tan theta plus tan theta times cotan theta. So tan theta times cotan theta. So up it's tan theta, and down it's tan theta plus tan theta and cotan theta are two reciprocal functions. When you multiply two reciprocal functions, you get 1. So tan theta times cotan theta is 1. So simply it's tan theta over tan theta plus 1, or tan theta over 1 plus tan theta. This is equal to the right hand side, so the trigonometric identity is true. Another way to solve this identity is to work systematically. We rewrite each function in terms of sine and cosine. Then we simplify until the two hand side will be equal. Start by the left hand side. Here we have 1 over 1 plus. Rewrite cotan as cosine over sine. And we can take a common denominator to add this. 1 is sine theta over sine theta plus cosine theta over sine theta. Take the common denominator, then add. So it's 1 over sine theta plus cosine theta, and down it's sine theta. Move the denominator of the denominator up in the numerator. So this is equal to sine theta over sine theta plus cosine theta. We can do the same thing in the right hand side to simplify until we get this form. Tan theta equals sine over cosine over 1 plus tan theta, or 1 plus sine over cosine. Now take a common denominator, change 1 into cosine over cosine. So up it's as it is, sine theta over cosine theta, and down it's cosine theta plus sine theta over cosine theta. Up and down we have the same denominator, cosine theta and cosine theta. Simplify the two denominators. So simply we have sine theta over cosine theta plus sine theta. Finally, the left hand side is the same as the right hand side. Here it's sine theta over sine theta plus cosine theta, and here it's sine theta over cosine theta plus sine theta. The two hand sides are the same, so the trigonometric identity is true.